Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2006 Ford F750 we have for sale. It's got 288,000 miles on it. It's automatic. It's got a Caterpillar C7 in it. It's got an 11-foot Wilcox service bed with a 10-620 Stellar crane. It has a Stellar hydraulic air compressor. This is a one-owner truck, rust-free. Got a few cosmetic things going on, just clear coat stuff like that, but overall a really nice truck to be as old as it is and to have nearly 300,000 miles on it. It's in really good shape, runs out and drives good. So let's walk around and take a look at it. I'll kind of point out the things I've seen on it that I think I would want to see if I was buying it. So pretty much the whole top of the hood, the clear is gone off of it. I mean, you got some spots here, but the whole top side of the hood, the clear is gone. On the door, I'm sure you can see the prior owner's name. Just have to put your name over it. Power windows, power locks. .22 5s on it, air brake truck. Remember if I said it or not, it is under CDL. It's $25,999 GVWR, so it's under CDL on this one. Same thing on this door, obviously. This is the button for your hydraulic air compressor. Back here and work the outriggers and the crane. It's starting to rain on me a little bit, so I'm probably gonna speed it up a little bit here. Down. Out. off. It's a little loud sitting in here. So if you're interested in this truck, you can give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Actually gonna jump back out. I can ship this truck straight to your door. You're probably gonna be looking around $350, probably I'd probably say $350 a mile to have it shipped to you. Maybe a little less, depends on where you're located. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post it on our board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to New York or Minnesota, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer, and sometimes we get them picked up immediately. Really just depends on where you're located, the weather, a lot of things factor into it. So I say all that to say, I can't tell you an exact second someone's gonna pull up here, the exact second they're gonna pull up in your driveway. It just doesn't happen like that. And if you're one of those guys, you gotta know that. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person. And you're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check and won't be able to see the truck. It has to be certified funds by cashier's check, wire transfer, or cash. Good looking truck here, like I said, especially to be a little older truck, but still a good looking truck. I like the silver. So don't wait too long. I think I got this thing priced right, especially have the big crane, air compressor, all that good stuff, so it shouldn't last too long. So if you're interested, don't wait. And another thing, because this happens a lot on the cheaper trucks like this one, I'll have people call, want me to hold them for a long time. I can't hold these trucks. If you tell me you're coming today or the next day, I don't mind holding it for you for a day or so to fly in or do whatever you got to do. But I can't hold these things for weeks at a time. So they are for sale until you pay for them. All right, I guess that's about. Excuse me. I guess that's about it. Give me a call if you're interested. 256-310-6852. Thanks for watching.